Assalamu alaikum. I want to wish you all a very, very warm congratulations on 20 years of Nahla. It is a beautiful initiative because it is bringing women, giving them voice, building on their faith. Nothing in this world matters as much as women's voices and the faith that inspires us all. I wish you continued years of success in bringing love to this world through the voices of peace and commitment. Women bring life, they carry life, they serve life. Faith serves all. It is important that women work with their faith to serve their lives and the lives of their communities. Women know how to live, how to give life. They also know how to defend life. Please continue to do the wonderful work that Nahla enables you to do. Please continue to give life, to defend life, to serve life, and in doing so, to serve your faith.